So whose New Year's resolution is to buy less and they already broke it? Me. Hey guys, it's Christine and welcome back. I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. Welcome to my very first video of 2022. Today I have two very exciting unboxings from Louis Vuitton, so let's get right to it. Sorry about that guys, so clearly I'm still an amateur at these unboxing videos, so all I had to do was just pull this down. You'd think after so many unboxing videos you'll get the hang of it, but clearly not. So that's the ribbon off. That's a box here. So as you can see, it's a very, very small item in here. And here I have the dust bag. And here you go guys. This is the first item here, and this is the new Nano Speedy in rose denim. This was launched on 1st of January. I just remember I was staying up watching the fireworks with my parents, and I just remember, you know, in the Facebook community they were talking about new launch, and I saw this and I had this on my wish list, and I guess every like couple minutes I was just checking in, and this came available at like 1:15 in the morning, and the second I saw it I just had to have it. As you guys may already know, the Speedy's my favorite style, one of my favorite styles from LV, and I love collecting these, so I am just really chuffed to have this in my collection. It is so pretty. I'll just show you the sides. It's so cute and it's so pretty. There's a bit of a gradient of the denim here, so as you see here, the pink is darker on this side and is lighter wash on this side, and that's pretty cool. I'm just going to open up, and it comes with a strap. So that's a crossbody strap, and I'm just gonna put this on and try it on for you guys. Let's see. I think this is a remake of the denim line that they had in the past. Don't quote me what year. I just remember that they had a denim. They released a Denim Speedy quite a number of years back, but this is like the remake of it, and I love pink and I love Speedies, so this is just perfect. So I already have this on the longest setting. The crossbody strap is pretty short. I'm 5'1" and I already have this on the longest setting, so that's something to bear in mind if you are a bit taller. The crossbody strap, you may want to change this to a longer crossbody strap. So I'm just going to try this on. Don't know. It is so small. It's so sweet. So I think this Speedy here is slightly shorter height-wise compared to the Nano Speedy. I'll probably do a comparison video between this Nano Speedy and the other Nano Speedy that I got last year. So this is it. This is my rose denim Speedy, and it's so cute. Obviously you can wear it with or without a crossbody strap, and it's just perfect for the spring and summer season. So that's the first unboxing, so let's get right on to the second one. So this second item here, I just got it this morning, so this is the first time I'm unboxing this, and I'm super excited. I do have a story to tell with this one, but let's just get right to unboxing it first. So I'm just gonna pull the ribbons off. and it just hopefully slides off like this. And it still has a Christmas packaging, which I'm pretty chuffed about, with the red ribbons. And then I have the box here. Just going to put the box down. And are you guys ready? I'm so excited. So here we have the beautiful Speedy 20 in Bandouliere in a monogram canvas. I can't believe that she's in my hands just now. And I got it in the black and beige body strap. And look at the colours, it's so pretty, it's so neutral, and you can wear it with so many different outfits. Oh my gosh, she's absolutely stunning. And I don't know if you can tell, and it has the red lining in it, and it comes with the keys and padlock. And oh my gosh, it is an absolute mission and a half trying to get this item. Let me just try it on for you guys. This will be the first time I'm trying on this bag, just because it's so hard to come by. So I'm just gonna try this on. Just give me 2 seconds. Here we go, and this is it on. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love it. I love bags sitting higher up on my hip, so this is absolutely perfect. The crossbody strap, it's not Vaqueta leather, so it's not gonna get stained in, you know, when it rains or anything, and this is absolutely stunning. So I'm just really happy to have this in my collection. So the story with this is my boyfriend just picked this bag up in the morning. So as you all know, it is so hard to find this at the moment. It was released back in, I think, October 2021, so just last year, and it sold out so quick. I've stalked the website so many months. I even had my boyfriend come up with like a code. Like, he does stuff with coding, he's so smart. I feel like everyone knows coding except me, but he was so smart. Like, he created a coding which basically sends me an email every time this bag becomes available on the website, but for some reason every time it shows up available and you add to basket, you can't check out. So I feel like the only other way is to get this in store. I've messaged so many different essays. I was even on the Facebook community groups asking all the ladies to help out, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who's offered their essays to me. And I've contacted them, and a lot, like basically all of them, just don't have this in stock until maybe just this month in January. Over the last couple of weeks they started replenishing their stock again, so week by week they've been releasing a couple into my local store as well. So I've been going back and forward into the branch just to check in whether they have this in stock. And finally, a very kind essay has offered her contact number to me, and she said she'll contact me when this comes in, and obviously I was really grateful for that. I'm always too shy to ask essays for their numbers unless they offer, so that was really nice of her. So I got her number, and 1 week she messaged me, I think it was a Thursday, and she said, "Hey Christine, just to let you know, this bag has come back in stock." And I was at work at the time, so I saw the message and I was super excited, but I just had to focus on work and I couldn't reply straight away. And I was just asking her for details, like, how do I pay for this? Is it definitely the black and beige one, not the fusion one I'm looking for? And within literally 10 minutes of just you know, there was a time gap between me working and trying to get more details off her. At the end, she just told me, I'm sorry, it's gone. It's just been purchased by a VIP client who just walked through the door. So I was absolutely gutted, and I was like, no, it was literally right under my nose and it just got bought. It just left the door just like that. And so obviously I was gutted, and I thought, you know what, just thank you so much for contacting me. If you can order one for me. And a lot of essays say this is not orderable because it's so high in demand. So she was like, okay, I'll try my best. Then the next day, Friday, she messaged me again and she told me, hey, like, I have another one that's just come into stock. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is so exciting, like 2 days in a row. So this is my second time lucky getting this, because yesterday it got bought by another client. So she checks my details and then she basically says to me, I'm sorry, like, I cannot sell you this item because I bought the rose denim Speedy, and because that was a hard to find limited item. She said in a more polite way than this, but basically she said she couldn't sell this to me and she couldn't help me. And gosh, like, I was literally so upset. I know it's so stupid because it's just a bag, but I literally felt like I was a child and I had a candy dangled in front of me twice. Like, I've missed out on this bag, and I was absolutely devastated. I even said, I replied to her and I said, oh no, like, please don't do this. Like, I've been wanting this bag for so long. I love Speedies and that's why I collect them. I understand why they do this. And she was just following company policy because, you know, there's a lot of resellers, and I don't know, maybe my profile's flagged up when I end up getting a rose denim Speedy as well. And she thought, you know, when you get 2 limited edition styles, they don't let you have that, if that makes sense. So and afterwards she just didn't reply to me after that. So I was pretty upset by that. I was pretty annoyed, I'm gonna say. She was just doing her job. I felt like she could have just maybe checked my profile first before offering to find this bag for me. I'd rather she just told me that it's not available than, you know, just say to me, oh, it's here you go, you can have it. Oh wait, you can't. So long story short, my boyfriend was like, look, I'll help you. So I gave him another essay's details and he contacted her, and waited for a couple more weeks, and she finally got back to him and she told him today that they were getting new delivery. So he went in and picked this up for me, so I am super grateful for that. This is gonna sound really sappy, but there's nothing more romantic than a guy who has absolutely no interest in designer handbags. My boyfriend has absolutely no interest in these sort of things, but he's just went all for that, to like even making up that program to like check website, get an email notification, to stocking a bag for me and contacting the SA. So that is really sweet. So I am super grateful to him, so thank you so much. So that was basically my story. I hope it made sense. So now I have this very beautiful Speedy 20 and my rose denim nano in my collection. I will probably be doing a comparison video between all my Speedies. I absolutely love this bag, as I say. Any comments, any questions you guys have about these bags, leave it in a comment down below. It's very impromptu, this video. I've not planned it. I still have adrenaline pumping through my veins from just receiving these two, and I'm just super grateful, and just very grateful that I have these guys in my collection. So that is it for today, guys. Short and sweet. But as I say, any questions or comments, leave it in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.